They are reselling for about $230 to $400. It just depends on your size, of course. Wait, $900? Hold on. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Summer. As you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be an unboxing video. And the shoes are called the Ruohan Wang AF1s. I'll probably put a picture right here. And before I start this video, I'm just going to give you guys a little bit of information about the creator. Ruohan Wang is an illustrator, painter, and visual artist based in Berlin, Germany, who is known for her diversity of art. She's partnered with Nike and come up with this all-time classic, which is an asymmetrical, multicolor illustration. And yeah, that's pretty much it on her. There's a lot more information, but if you want to know more about her, you can just search her up. So starting off with the box, this is how it looks. I got a 7.5 in men's because that's what I wear in Air Forces. This is how the shoe box looks. I really like it because it has a lot of designs and details. It's different, you know. And I'm pretty sure she released these shoes to represent Earth Day. And that's why you see like the earth and some other stuff. Here's the actual shoe. Y'all can't tell me these some heat. Like, these things some pressure for real. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Here's the other shoe. Like I stated, the shoes are asymmetrical, so they're not like all over the place or anything. They're really neat and put together. The only difference in the shoes, even though they're asymmetrical, are the soles. Hold on, I'm gonna show y'all. Only difference are the soles. And yes, I know some of y'all gonna peep this. There was like a little stain in the laces when I first got them, but I wasn't really pressed about it because, you know, like that's an easy fix. But yeah, the soles and the back are the only difference between the two. They retail for $100, but I believe they're reselling for about $300. No, they were selling for like $230 to $400. I purchased mine off the Nike sneakers app. I'll probably put it right here if you don't know what it looks like. But yeah, the app is really good for like if you want to know about upcoming Jordans, Nikes, whatever. So I definitely recommend that app. This is not a sponsorship. I just recommend that app if you want to like know any upcoming dates on shoes and whatnot. You should be able to purchase these off StockX, the Nike sneakers app, if it's not too late. And that's all I know of. Those are the only websites that I honestly trust when purchasing shoes online. But you can look around, I guess, on eBay or Poshmark, but people be scamming out here, so be careful. But yeah, like I was saying, they are reselling for a good amount, you know. I was thinking about reselling mine, but I don't know yet. And yeah, guys, these shoes are really nice. I can't wait to wear these. Oh my gosh. But yeah, guys, I know this video was pretty short and simple, but that is it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on my social medias and stay tuned for my next video.